Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. Capricorn, we have Hermit, Four of Swords, and High Priestess in reverse. So, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, in your relationship, you are thinking about something. Maybe something is not clear. You are, a really honest, devoted person. So, whatever you do in your life, Capricorn, maybe in your work you make some choices, but you do that work with clarity. You have a clear understanding. So you handle any situation with that complete knowledge, and you feel really satisfied when you are so responsible, when you do everything yourself, when you have that perfect 100% understanding in anything you do. But today, maybe for some reason, in something you do not have that clarity. So you are thinking about that. You are trying to understand that, or you are waiting to come to an understanding maybe. So it may be regarding some projects or some path you need to choose for yourself. But whatever it is, you may lack clarity. So that is the reason we have cards here. So that shows you thinking about something, pondering again and again, trying to understand something. And you have some knowledge, maybe something, you know something, but not that full picture. So that again may be the reason for worries from your side. So you are not aware of that complete situation, whatever is happening. So it may be something in your relationship, guys. Capricorn, you know this person, you have a level of understanding, but you don't know what is the truth, what is in their mind. So some lack of clarity or something may be missing in this relationship. You know them only for some time now. You have a level of intimacy and understanding with this person. You love this person. But if you want to make that next step, maybe you want marriage or commitment, you need to think, because you do not have a complete picture what is their mind or what they are planning or what are their intentions and what are their future plans. So you do not know anything of that. That may be the reason you are giving it a thought today, guys. So Capricorn, this may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy towards you, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Six of Pentacles. So with this card, it just means that you need to if you want this relationship, guys, you need to depend on this person. If you love them, you must try to understand this person. But if you don't, don't need to understand them, guys. Make those efforts. But relationship is a dependency, guys. So we both need to work towards that perfect understanding. So just like you making those efforts, having that interest to know this person, when that person also makes those efforts, you are just going to meet midway and have that beautiful understanding, trust on each other, and you are going to build this relationship on honesty. Or maybe you want to build this relationship on honesty. That may be the reason for this card. So you want to rely on this person, have that trust, or build that beautiful trust on this person. So you are working on that. Maybe that may also be there in energy, guys, towards you. But you need to work towards that, guys. If you want a honest relationship, you need to work towards that, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards. So for your career situation, guys, we have Page of Swords in reverse. So in your work situation, Capricorn, there are certain things quite unexpected arriving today, maybe unexpected negative things may also happen, or unexpected positive things, positive news, some projects, or some beginning of a new path or a new offer. Something positive may also come up, but it is never something you planned or you expected. So it is something which you never thought of is coming today towards you, guys, Capricorn, in your work situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.